Take a closer look at 4 different cast iron gate valves. Each one is built to deliver durability and dependable flow control, trusted by engineers around the world, each designed for reliable flow control in industrial and water systems. These variations showcase the differences in size, structure, and application, all manufactured to meet international standards. We have supplied to international clients more than 90 countries worldwide.
United Kingdom, UAE, Australia, Brazil, Mexico, and widely used in projects such as Milan Expo, Fiat Workshop, Shangri-La Hotel, Kerry Center, Petrobras, GE Workshop. Service, quality is our core competitiveness. To create value to customers is our greatest wealth. What can we do for you? How can we do better? We warmly welcome customers from home and abroad to cooperate with us for common success.
If you are interested in our valves, please visit our website for more details and glad to receive your inquiries.